Here we are, Billy Howell Ford with this 1969 T-Bird with a 429 V8. Hey, can you hit the gas a little bit on that? As you can hear, it sounds beautiful. Not a thing wrong with that engine. Got the pop-up headlights. In good shape. The suicide doors. It reads 89,000 miles on it. Purrs like a kitten. Dual exhaust. Vinyl top. Good shape, everything works, everything runs on it. So call us today, Billy Howell Ford, Lincoln Mercury, Cumming, Georgia, 770-887-2311. 770-887-2311. Billy Howell Ford, Lincoln Mercury in Cumming, Georgia. Thank you.